Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a new way to make money with OpenAI for beginners. If you're looking for a flexible work from home opportunity, then you're in the right place. And be sure to stick around until the end of the video because we'll be sharing a link in the description to the best way to make money from home. So, you may be wondering what OpenAI is. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the for-profit corporation OpenAI LP and its parent company, the non-profit OpenAI Incorporated. OpenAI aims to promote and develop friendly AI that benefits humanity as a whole. Now, you might be thinking, how can I make money with OpenAI? Well, the answer is through OpenAI's language model API, which allows developers to create applications that can generate human-like text. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. As a beginner, you can start making money with OpenAI by offering your services as a content creator. Many businesses are in need of high-quality content that engages and converts their target audience. With OpenAI's language model API, you can create content that is both informative and persuasive. Another way to make money with OpenAI is by developing your own applications that utilize the language model API. This requires a bit more technical know-how, but the potential for profit is significant. By creating an app that solves a problem or fulfills a need, you can generate revenue through advertising, subscription fees, or in-app purchases. Now, you may be wondering how to get started with OpenAI. Well, the good news is that OpenAI provides extensive documentation and tutorials on how to use their language model API. You can also join their community forums to ask questions and get support from other developers. But if you're really serious about making money with OpenAI, then you'll want to check out the link in the description. This is the best way to learn how to make money with OpenAI, even as a beginner. You'll get access to step-by-step tutorials, insider tips, and exclusive resources that will help you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start your journey to making money from home today. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.